God, remember the prophecy. Remember the dream. The sons of thunder would arise, God. Those who are playing their blue guitars behind the curtain would know and sing, God, but you. Find those young men and those young women, God, who are more concerned with influencing the heavens rather than being a celebrity on the earth, God. Raise up those who touch the stars. Raise up the sons of thunder. Raise up a new song. Raise up a new sound. Raise up a new song, God. Raise up a sound that rips through the earth. Release the harvest through the sons of thunder, God. Remember the prophecy, God. Lord, something more powerful than the Beatles in the 60s. Let it break out, the prophets in the hidden places, being moved by your holy heart. It's time, God. Raise up the fulfillment of the prophecy. Raise up the sons of thunder, oh God. Raise up the prophetic breed, the nameless, faceless who care less about being a celebrity and just want to be a voice in the heavens. God, give us the Esthers who move the courts in the heavens.